Good morning, and how are you today? Brilliant to see you. Quite a few people have said to me, James, just because you can ferment something does not mean you should ferment it. And I fully disagree with them. It's only by trial and error will you work out what ferments really well and is to your own personal tastes and liking. Now, for example, if you take bland, which is fermented milk, you curdle the milk, you take away the whey, and you ferment that whey and turn it into a lovely alcoholic drink. I was the first video to bring that to YouTube, and now there's over 40 videos of people making bland on YouTube. So they have taken my recipe and recreated it because they obviously enjoy it and like it. And now there's a whole heap and choice of videos out there for you to choose from about how to make bland. If I had not experimented and messed around and found out how to make it and did it, those 40 videos would not be up there, I'm sure. It's only by trial and error will you maximise what it is you like. It's like Coke, for example. There's a few references to making Coke wine online. Some people say it's disgusting, some people enjoy it. But personally, I do not know yet until I give it a go and give it a try. So it will be a full-on experiment. You can ferment Coke once you remove all those nasty preservatives, but should you ferment Coke? Well, that's the question. But that is the whole point of experimentation, seeing what you can get away with, seeing the results. So if you are ever unsure about should you ferment something, give it a go. What have you got to lose? A pound for sugar? A packet of yeast? Give it a go. Time passes anyway, so you may as well go and ferment it, see what the results are, and see if you enjoy it. That's the beauty of homebrew, is that you can get away with all these experiments. You can be creative, you can mess around, you can see what you like, see what you don't like. It is a brilliant hobby for your creative side, and you have very little to lose because time passes anyway. You may as well have that demijohn under the stairs, bubbling away, maturing. Nothing to lose, that little bit of space, a little bit of time, which passes anyway, and a pound for sugar. So go and give it a go. If it does ferment, give it a go. Try it, ferment it. If it ferments, give it a go. Ferment it. Have an experiment, see what happens. You may stumble and stagger across the best recipe ever because you have created something brilliant and you won't know. So go and give it a go. And as for how to make wine from Coke, check out this video up by here to find out the process. And I'll see you all really soon. You have a good day now.